is interesting about PIRLS 2021, especially in the South African context, is that it's an important study about how children read for meaning. And in the South African context, we have a multitude of languages. And one of our key policy concerns is about how children at the age of 10 are reading for meaning. Because at the age of 10, they transition from mother tongue instruction to language of learning, which is usually not in their mother tongue. In the South African context, we have different factors influencing reading, such as availability of school resources, school climate, the availability of teachers in the foundation phase, which is where PIRLS is taken at grade 4. So we are interested in understanding what are the factors influencing these results. We want to get a deeper dive. We want to understand not just the overall scores. We want to know what are the enabling factors about reading for meaning. So PIRLS, with its contextual data, gives us that sense in order to understand better. And this is important for us because we are investing a lot in reading programs, in national reading plans. It's part of our policy making initiatives. It's part of our medium-term strategic framework. So government has mandated the Ministry of Basic Education to monitor what percentage of learners are actually reading for meaning. So we're using the PIRLS study as a very critical source of information to understand what are the factors, how can we improve learners' ability to read for meaning.